Su Gusii.
Wirire biya umwancho muri yari abagita sene Ndizi TV nechinga kichinde ngo kwarigania twemanya mangana majya senchera yobenge nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba editoriane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo togo chukubwadana nere Lydia Mose uyu kumanya wetera senchera imanyero nere Sara Momanyi kwene kinga marigene chibichawe kera senchera yobekirano na bogo tobwatia wetera senchera yemitandao asense moya Facebook watanyarabuna Ndizi TV News Digital semo ya YouTube na otorebu na Ndizi TV News na boigo asu mtandao we website na otorebu na www.ndizitv.net. Na kwa reganirie twemanye nama ya Amayia ito ni kutokunya chaka kurasi county ya Kisii aso gavana we county yo Simbarati litukoria lero abwatokire ekemeri kia hats avocado goche ase abaremi ase amagacho ya eskuru ya abaremi ya ATC heyo kutoka imeyomoche o Kisii county ya Kisii achinga kicho omoyego yenigo arati abasemeria abaremi igoro ya kemerikyo naboigo ase abarera igoro yobuya bwe kemerikyo ase boigo ababorire kwene kinga nkole mabare gosengo simeka bare ekemerikyo ase kirinigo ekemerikyo kibwate echiro naboigo rikirigori nerigiya ase ekemerikyo kya has avocado
800 tons, and later I'll be able to explain those tons, what we mean by a ton, and you see what we are expected to get as an earning as a people. But we have the potential to produce more than 60 metric tons per acre annually, translating to an adoption of quality planting materials for improved quality and productivity. This is why my administration came up with this initiative to help avail quality planting materials to the farmers in order to boost avocado production in the long run. Hence, the Department of Agriculture is addressing the attendant challenges in avocado production, such as limited access to quality, and it's important to note, to quality clean planting material, poor market organization with informal structure coupled with a multitude of middlemen who exploit farmers, significant post-harvest losses due to high perishability of the fruit. In this regard, the county government of Kisii has established an avocado factory to address the challenges. The fruit tree nursery here at ATC was established at a total cost of 7.5 million. It has been duly registered and certified by Kenya Planter Health Inspectorate, that is KEFIS, which gives credence to the quality of seedlings being distributed. It's important to note
Chinga kechuboigo nigo morai we county ya Kisii Simbarati atebremna nigo bono ara chigochaka umurobiro bukubwato kachibasari goche ase abarkiwa ase balibonsi banyorete chifomo agose babete ba apply chifomo echo ase chiwodi au nigo bono umurobiro yora chigochaka ritukoriankyo ase bona tebrana nigara chikonekinga ase chiwodi chonsi echire ase county ya Kisii nigo abarkiwa bonsi barachikonyora chibasari cho nenchira yamo yogosira aboroki wabo.
Hii Kenya ni yetu. na tutafanya kulingana na vile tumepewa kazi na wananchi. Mwe wigore basari abantu ngaho basari kibasikie basari na Kisii bagenda akaroseria mabuli akarosa kibagi basari na ngotiana eseriye teriye nyasaye kakia abantu mwakole ni nyasaye echichi nyasaye babiri ngabesa mokorra basari. I want to confirm once Ramambia basari liko nyabati neniri wakalia ba MC Ikomi bali elected na abandi nominated batano bakabaletere document ye budget bagacheki badenga ibintu bichenchirega bagatenenie basari bagatenenie wakano no mushahara no embarabuka baje mushahara ugatene ekerobona to denga rosmo nenye twaje rose kibesa cha soke mambia mpaka Friday kwenda na tulichicheki kero mwana wa applied basari Kisii na ende sechu word no bali bachede gotenenie Mose ngo atore basari abana kuri wodi yabo ekyarda libana babwati mechana na baba balengenya ntibache turus na bese iti ali ngore bese ya enkoliyo emyaka 10 towards the end mwetu basari yali ngore. We are giving 245 million and we are determined ngigasi
tugutigane county ya Kisii na gosuka waikayase county ya Nyamira nigo abalemi amona bamenye benseme yobono bairwa baseme igoro yobuya bwekemeri kya has avocado asebono abamanyikora asensemo yoboremi ose wizara yoboremi waikase county yona koro baseme gocha sabaremi igoro na kibabonete gosimeka ekemeri kyo na baigo obuya bwekemeri kyo nigo baigo baboliwe kwenekinga nkwebwatarani bare no boremi bwekemeri kyo kya has avocado asekeri nigo kibwate chiro asebono nabo igo ligo liriaye nigo lire edigia asebono barachiko igwanonya no gosira wechibesa elikwegendereria ase ogosimeka kwekemere kyo kya has avocado
anyinga bapima.
The quality of the seedlings the farmers plant, some of them are not certified and they are not the best. Number two is the pests and diseases that are quarantine pests in our export market, like the fruit fly, the FCM, the scales, the thrips. All these are challenges that are facing the farmers.
People come and explain to you because you are vulnerable, you are not organized, you are not a unit. Your neighbor wants to sell at 120, another neighbor wants to sell at 100, another neighbor wants to sell at 150.
The Polish government tulikuwa nao wakasema they want to sign an agreement with the governor Nyamira wachukue avocado directly kutoka Nyamira.
Our development partners in collaboration with my government will come together in charting the way forward in solving the challenges facing avocado farmers, especially in availability of the right.
Togos kamotwe ni gomora ibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ditkoria lero abwatra namo na baraivande ase ogochakia bene egikaro kia Africa Connect Summit ekyo kegendete ase omochi Nairobi ase chinsemo cha Uhuru Park ekikare kyo kirachi gosira abasai na boigo ase ababwatani akoru ase chinsecho orogongoro Africa nigo boikiranire ase egikare kyo unenchereyemo yogosira egikare kigose naboigo ase abantu bari babeire bakorubora ebintu obunenchereyemo yogosira obonchoria naboigo okorubora kwa ebintu ase abarokiwa na abasai baba bakorokia ebintu biri babeire bakorubora naboigo emeremeri babeire bagokora chinga kecho boigo ni goruto abaganirie abanyabiashara gokora obonchore bwabo ase orogongoro Africa ase keria tebrana nigo Chinsa chenyenge cha orogongoro Africa chabeire chikwa egendereria ase amagendero yobonchoria ase keri nigo chire ase agia boniga naboigo asokubwatrana nababwatani akoro ase Chinsa chisuko elikwenekinga ngosuka bare moto ase nsemo yobonchoreria.
Use of cyber security, all this require a holistic approach for the continent so that we move in tandem. Similarly, in terms of opportunities, we have got opportunity to enhance the level of digital public infrastructure for Africa. We need to enhance the level of our fiber connectivity, our internet connectivity, so that we have universal access and we have digital inclusivity.
The war in Ukraine and the COVID-19 pandemic taught us that we all need more diverse supply chains, and Africa can be the solution to this global need, and technology will be the key to that success. But when companies diversify their supply chains, they also must go someplace where there is renewable energy. And this continent has abundant hydro, solar, wind, and geothermal resources, and many of your countries are on the forefront of this sustainable change.
The imperative, therefore, is clear and entails determined interventions to significantly increase access to broadband services and to enhance both service, quality, and affordability. In turn, higher digital inclusion will intensify job creation and will help us deal with the challenge of poverty. Beyond infrastructure, a thriving digital economy requires the presence of a sizable and highly skilled digital workforce to build on advances in digital technology and to drive innovation and productivity, thereby creating a dynamic ecosystem which ushers enterprises into the digital economy and enables them.
Omuwaziri buburendi bwaime kiture kindiko nigobona bwatukire ogochika gocha sonde wensi ori bwate chisira bobisi ejere mamincha yeri chiko rienseto ya Kenya asekiria tabire ogotwara kwechi sera echo nigobono wabeire kogoturubania omarembe aso orogongo rwa Afrika kagokwana achinga kiaringe asegi karo kyomorembe aso orogongo rwa Afrika asibalenge okwalena igoro je chisira chinke buna chibunduki nigo kindiki arule ogochika gochiasa abantu bonse elio 40 omorembe ase orogongo rwa Afrika nabo igo ase enseto ya Kenya ase bono aganiri abantu koirania chisira echo erihinde kwana kinga ngotinya bale omorembe nabo igo borendi ase chinsemo chonsi cha Afrika.
Full implementation of all the decisions and resolutions of the Council of Ministers. Number 2, engagement with the member states so that we can support this organization politically but also financially to make sure that it realizes its objectives. And number 3, making a case for the recognition of REXA as a specialized agency of the African Union on matters control of small arms and light weapons. The matter of the negative and debilitating effects of small arms and light weapons in our region is as urgent and is as a priority as it was during the formation of REXA. As you're aware, illicit trafficking in small arms and light weapons continue to fuel conflict in many of our countries. It continues to undermine governance in many of our countries. It continues to impede socio-economic development in many of our countries. As we move forward,
Omwancho murigireria roboti uri goro yokorwania chisiraha chitanchiri naruro gotwekeri omwerio obwa mang'ana maya senchera yowenge korende ayo amana yanda mange togendate ukwarigania nochikonyanyora senchera yobwagare chikoraga ense yamo yabona maragoba tobasagosuka tobasakogenda tambe umoroberio obwechingero nere papa antivirus nkogochirora asegika egekekere motwe erietariane Dorcas Kemuma nanigo tobwatira nere Lydia Mose oyoro kumanyia gwetera senchera yemanyerio nere Sara Momanyi anakinga Mario gene chibicha amo Mario gene chibicha gwikira senchera yo wikirano twara oboligereria obuyeme ya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bomu Gusii.
Omoiburi koiru mwana we skuru mbuya korende nkobwatire skuru kikwa moira erio konyora migirio yebirengo bigoro Porters Premium School na obagosoiraime migo babwate ebirasi kurwa playgroup PP1 PP2 grade 1 gweka grade 3 eskuru nigebwate aborokia babwatu Momanyi bwigoro na boigo ubaisaine nigeren semo tabwatirioge erengia asogosomera